Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Monday live session. Second day of continuous rally. In fact, relentless movement on the upside. Until Thursday, the scene was very different. Until Thursday 3:30, market closed at the lowest point of the time. But Friday morning it gaps up, and from there on you can see here a kind of movement that has happened. Friday morning it opens with the low of 17,745. This is the Nifty chart, and continuously goes without any corrections up to 17,694, highest point of the day, right? Makes a high of 17,703 on that day. And today one more gap up, opens at 17,724, higher than Friday's close and Friday's high, goes up to 17,863 without much delay, and currently trading towards the highest point of the day around 17,842. So 2 days we have seen about market capturing anything around 400 points on the Nifty, from the lows of 17,475 to 17,863. It would be about 500 points when you take the low of Thursday close. Thursday it closed at 17,380. So if you take from that level, you can see here we have about 500 points moved in 2 days. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also very same story. Relentless movement for the last 2 days. On Friday it opens at around 40,755 and goes non-stop up to 41,500, almost 800 points movement on Friday. And today again it has opened at around 41,400 or 500 levels, goes up to 800, and from there on a small correction has happened. Now it has come back to 41,490 and now trading at 41,550. So Bank Nifty comparatively has little bit given up after first few candles of upward movement, but when it comes to the Nifty, it is still closing towards trading towards the day's high. So that is how we have started the Monday morning. Let us see how the week goes. Before we move into the weekly settlement charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty, we will once look at the other banking stocks and see what kind of traction is there in those stocks. This is the chart of Axis Bank. From the highs of 866 has now come down to 860 and trading towards the day's low. So Bank Nifty as well as Axis Bank in the first 2-3 candles makes new high for the day, and from there on it is little bit on the downside movement. This is the chart of Bajaj Finserv. From the lows of 1362 goes up to 1406 and currently trading around 1392. Bajaj Finserv also from the lows of Friday's close of 1347 has gone up to 1406, which is about 50 points movement in last 1.5 days, still trading above Thursday's close, currently at around 1392. This is a chart of Bajaj Finance. 6219 is the high and currently trading at 6174. So not much buying available in any of these stocks as of now. Bandhan Bank hadn't done much on Friday, though it is in an uptrend, hadn't done much on Friday, and today also it didn't do anything much, and Friday's low has acted as the breakdown level. You can see here from the lows of 233 it has come down by 2 rupees, made a low of 232.20 and currently trading towards the day's low. So among all the so many stocks that we have seen, one stock which has already given up on the downside is Bandhan Bank. So watch out for Bandhan Bank. It may not be leading the indexes, but you can see some side counters are behaving slightly differently compared to the index. This is the chart of Bank of Baroda. Same story like Bank Nifty. First 3 candles goes up, makes a high of 177 and now currently trading at 174. This is Canara Bank. Very similar to all other banking stocks. First 3 candles makes a new high at 310 and now currently on the downward trajectory, trading at 307. Let us see some of the private sector banks. HDFC trading towards the day's high. Day's high happens to be 2699. From the lows of 2664 has moved up to 2699 and currently trading towards the day's high. This is the chart of HDFC Bank trading towards the day's high. So some of these leading banking stocks are still showing some upward movements. It's just that few of the side counters like Bandhan Bank are entering into the sell zone. Otherwise, on the whole, on the broader spectrum, if you see, most stocks are towards the day's high and still quoting towards the day's high. They have made a new high and quoting towards the day's high. This is ICICI Bank, slightly given up the gains from the highs of 879 has come down to 869, which is about 10 rupees down. Still there are no buy or sell levels in these stocks. They are forming the levels. So because it has fallen more than 7 to 8 candles which are showing red, there is no more buying at this level of the highs of 879. But then don't be in a hurry to short the stock. Wait for new levels to form before going short. This is Kotak Bank. Friday was a good move day. From the lows of 1725 moved up to 1760. Today opens at around 1769. From there comes down by 10 rupees to 1751 and now currently trading at 1757. Let us see SBI, one of the heavyweight in the banking index as well as in the Nifty index. From the highs of 569, currently trading towards the high, but it is already entered into the sideways zone. You can see here SBI has a very slightly different pattern. The first candle high was not taken out on Friday the whole day. It was rest of the day was within the range of first candle high and low. About 27 rupees movement in the very first candle with a very big volume. You can see here almost 20 million volumes, which is like, big chunk of shares traded in the first 15 minutes of the day, and after the rest of the day has been in the sideways movement, and today is no different. It has just touched Friday's high of 567, made a new high at 569, and from there has convincingly has come down. So probably in few stocks like SBI or Bandhan Bank, the upward movement at least on the intraday time frame might be slowing down, and maybe we need to just wait and watch for the new buy levels or the new sell levels. So let us go back to the settlement chart now. Bank Nifty currently trading at 41,549. On the 2-hour time frame, let us see how the things are. You can see here on Friday it gave not on Friday, today breakout has crossed 41,574, which happened to be 2 weeks high. So for the last two settlements, if you see, the high was at around 41,574 and Friday's high was 41,560, and today it has convincingly taken out that high and now trading around those levels itself. Based on Bank Nifty's weekly chart, if you see, weekly chart is showing some amount of bullishness. This is the weekly chart of Nifty settlement week. Still far off from the highs of 18,045. So it is still about 200 points away from the breakout level. For now, it is just in the midways. It has got a kind of a trend. It has got a curve of upward curve is there, but it is nowhere near to the buy levels of 18,045 or towards the lows of 17,345. So this week it will be a challenge to trade the breakouts of Nifty. Instead, what you can do is, you can, if you are an options player, then you can do some strangles at these level, not even strangles, you can say like credit spread at the higher level and also at the lower level. So that way you would have hedged your position with a minimum loss and minimum profit. If Nifty comes close to 18,045, then you can close your credit spread and go long in the calls. Or if Nifty comes down to 17,345, then also you can close your credit spreads in the puts and go long in calls. So for now, there is not much trades for a futures trader on a weekly settlement basis. There is not much trade until 18,045 or 17,345. So this is Monday morning story. This is how the markets have opened and have been trading. On the intraday time frame, slightly the top is made and it is slightly come down, but no big drop from the highs. Nifty still towards the day's high, and it is started spending time in sideways movement. You can see here from 9:15 high to now, almost about 3 hours time has been passed. In the last 3 years, it is just spending time and losing the theta value, and there is, you can see the candles also very small candles and very low volumes. So Nifty is spending time within a very small range. There is a sideways movement going on in Nifty. So this is with respect to today's chart analysis. Before we wind up for the day, I would like to make an announcement. There is an event coming up in Bangalore. If you are a Bangalorean, then this event might be helpful for you to participate in. This is a 3 days event happening in Taj West End, Taj Yashwantpur, on the dates like April 28th, 29th and 30th. 3 days event. This event is called as Investible, organized by Traders Gurukul and Money Control Pro. So they have been organizing this event, and there will be about 25 plus fund managers to discuss and understand their perspective. There will be about 25 plus traders and mentors with good skill set, with whom you can have a face-to-face discussion and resolve your queries. Apart from these two things, there will also be some market eminent speakers who will be giving a lot of insights on lot of aspects of the economy and the stock markets. Plus, this forum will be a very good platform for you to develop your network among the prominent investors and traders. So if you are interested to be part of this event, do let us know. You can call on the number. We will be glad to enroll. There is a charge for this event. We can discuss on the charges and the accommodation options and what are all the benefits that you will be getting out of this 3 days event. There will be lot of quiz and prize winning events. So you can win prizes worth 10 lakh rupees as part of this event program. So if you are keen on developing your network, honing your skills, listening to eminent industry experts, then definitely you should be part of this event, and this event will definitely be value for money. Having said that, if you are liking the content being given out of this channel, do subscribe and share the channel with your fellow traders, and come in large numbers to learn the art of trading. We will give you 1 week boot camp, and we will be acting as mentors for your day-to-day trading activities. Let us once again meet tomorrow. Until then, Om Swasti.